second year from Accounting Information System in Estekom Al-Masum, and welcome to my presentation. Before we are going into my presentation, I would like to express my greeting to YKPN Yogyakarta. Thank you to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta, the leading educational accounting education, for facilitating the competition of accounting presentation in English. And congratulations to your 40th anniversary. Alright, let's get into my presentation. The topic of my presentation is financial accounting, and we will discuss more in details about intangible assets. There are 3 points here. First, definition of intangible asset. Second, types of intangible asset. And third, treatment of intangible asset. The first topic is definition of intangible asset. Intangible assets are assets that have no physical form or cannot be seen, but they are profit benefits and could be a long-term asset. There are 3 examples of intangible assets in daily life, exemplified as: first, health. It can make people doing their activities so well. Second, intelligence. It can make people who think well. And third, fame. It can make people behave well. According to experts incorporated in web finance, intangible assets are long-term resources that all entities have, but they are non-physical or intangible. Moreover, intangible assets are defined in paragraph 8 of PSAK 19, or in English we call it Indonesian Financial Accounting Standard number 19, 2010 revision, as non-monetary assets are identified without physical form. Its main characteristic could be identified, and most likely the entity will gain future economic benefits of asset. Acquisition cost of asset can be applied with cost model and revaluation model. Alright, I'd like to show you the acquisition cost using cost model based on paragraph 74 of PSAK 19. And then acquisition cost using revaluation model based on paragraph 75 of PSAK 19. Alright, let's move to the next topic about types of intangible assets. There are 3 types of intangible assets, consist of: first, physical intangible assets such as compact disc, which contain computer software; legal documentation, which contain license or patents; or motion picture, which has no significant tangible elements. Second, advertisement spend, training, startup business, research and development. And third, right pricing from license agreement for motion picture, video footage, stage works, manuscript, patents and copyrights, trademarks and trade names, franchises and license, and goodwill. In addition, intangible property has amortization calculation. Intangible assets that have an active period will be amortized depending on the type of asset. The intangible of intangible asset is different. Some are old, short, and uncertain. Like copyrights, they are way more active lives than patent. And while logo and brand has uncertain validity period. And franchises and licenses are also amortized according to the benefits of life. Uncertainty no need to be amortized. Finally, we are finished to discuss all about type of intangible asset. Now, we are move to the treatment of intangible asset as our last topic. Treatment of intangible asset based on PSAK 19 consists of: first, recognizing intangible asset. Tangible assets are recognized when acquired under the following conditions. First, individuals or companies will potentially gain future economic benefits of asset. And second, cost can be measured reliably. The second point of treatment of intangible asset is assessment or measurement of intangible asset. Intangible assets are valued or measured at the acquisition cost. The cost of intangible assets consists of: First, purchase tax, including import duty, and non-refundable purchase tax after deducting discount and rebate. And second, any cost that may be directly related in preparing an asset. So, that is really for its intended use. The third point is accounting record of intangible assets. Accounting record for amortization and purchase of intangible assets are simply as follows. A table here. For purchases consists of intangible assets in debit and cash in credit. And amortization consists of amortization expense in debit and tangible assets in credit. Now the formula is amortization equals purchase price divided active period. And for the example is the patent has an active period. We buy a patent at price of 720,000 rupees and estimated time of 8 years. So the amortization is 90,000 rupees with journal is likely. Alright, the next point, or as our last point, is importing of tangible assets. Tangible assets are presented in balance sheet in the asset column, and it recorded at net value after deducted by the accumulated amortization. So it can be said that tangible asset accounting is the process of recording, recognizing, measuring, and reporting of tangible or unseen property that provides benefits. So finally, we are reached the end of my presentation. Before we are finished it, thank you to Akademi Akuntansi KPM Jakarta, our reliable partner in professional accounting education, and thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.